In this next session, I'm going to talk about inserting or using the screenshot feature in Microsoft Word. So let's assume we have this document here, and now we want to insert a snapshot, whether we are doing documentation on how to do something or whatever the case may be. So what you do is you go under the Insert tab, you click on Screenshot here, and notice you can either clip the screen or you can pick from one of the available windows. I'm going to do a screen clipping first, so I click on screen clipping, pick part of my screen, and now that has been inserted in my document. Now this, you could use it for creating a manual or creating directions or whatever it may be within your document. This is basically just like another image that I inserted in the document. I can go here and customize this and make it look differently and so on, and apply the various different styles related to the images in the document. The other thing you can do is if you go here under the Insert, under Screenshot, so you have to have something opened in your computer, and then you can take a screenshot of an application that you may have opened in your computer. And then, of course, resize this however you need to.